Hello to all our sweethearts out there and welcome to my channel, Edralin Daily. Welcome to the 20th Annual GAWAD Amerika Awards here at Porter Ranch. And it's kind of windy because it's outdoors since it's COVID. I don't know if I said 20th year, but it's 19th Annual GAWAD Amerika Awards. And supposedly, they normally hold it at Celebrity Center International in Hollywood, but then because of COVID, so they have to do it here in Porter Ranch. So it's outdoor, it's so windy. Okay, let me show you. It's kind of dark too because there's not much light, but here we are. It's so windy. It's like so we'll try to look for I think Ding Dong Avansar is also here. I think NJ the Avansar, the daughter. So, but
about GAWAD Amerika.
I saw Andy
So if
and
you
Andy
will
here too, so we'll be having them in the camera later. Okay, so
look like the UN
beside me
TV
is
here,
of course from Ace Media and Andy Edralin. So
as you know,
yeah,
UN TV,
welcome to
at least 40 million.
It's so windy out here.
Yeah, so windy. So what are you expecting from this event, Andy?
But anyway,
We're expecting a lot of wind
Colder.
and cold weather,
Oh my gosh.
and we have to rush because there's a curfew tonight. It's going to be a good night because people deserve this, to get this award.
So if you will
especially
multiply
her.
Oh no, especially this guy. He's been active in the film community ever since the war began.
Well, we have this every year, and I always attend to cover the event, but this time I'm also an awardee.
Oh, congratulations, Andy. Congratulations.
Congratulations to you.
Yeah, this is my second time, but this is my first time to receive it personally because the last time I was right here because of the event. So, first time tapos COVID. I know, but it's still a blessing to be out here and join with other awardees. And also, kudos to the organizers, for pushing it, even though, a lot of obstacles.
It's really difficult this time.
We just have to find a way to be creative.
Yeah, good thing this event went through because a lot of events have been cancelled.
Yeah. They have been postponed to but we don't know yet. If the situation is going to be better next year. So we just hope and pray that everyone is safe and of course in good health. That's all we can say.
About GAWAD Amerika. Magandang
Well, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much and congratulations to you too. So we'll be seeing you later.
Bibigyan natin.
Dula Award goes to
Senator Ramon Bong Revilla.
First and foremost, and I want to thank GAWAD Amerika for this honor, and may I request everybody to just pray that we just go through this COVID thing, that it may go away. And thank you so much, and God bless America.
That we're in now. My business is not an exception to all those who are struggling, and I really appreciate GAWAD Amerika for giving me this opportunity to receive this recognition. I continue to work hard for this business, and during the quarantine period I was able to finish my certification to be an international events and wedding planning professional.
please.
Can you tell us more what are you expecting tonight in this event? Aside from the new normal, that obviously it's outdoor now, but can you tell us about what were you expecting tonight?
Actually, I was not expecting anything like this, since this is a first time to experience something like this. Outdoor event, and it's very windy, not to mention about, the weather. Because I even thought we're gonna do it at the Celebrity Center. So, and this is the first time I attended
For the most
personally
outstanding
this
medical worker, we have
Gawad
Jessica
Amerika.
Anito.
And can you tell us about the award that you received tonight?
Well, this means so much, especially everyone in the business is struggling, right? So I'm no exception to those who are really trying to push, wherever their business can go, because it's so hard, especially if you're holding an office. So what I do continue to do events.
Thank you, Sam. And
Ever
thank
is
you all for
comfortable
coming.
and
Tonight is
whatever
the
service
night.
that
Thank
I
you
can
so much.
give.
This
So
is
I'm
my
still,
second time. Thank you.
I'm still willing to do it.
Congratulations.
Depending
For the most outstanding entrepreneur of the year, we have Ellen Stokes.
Thank you so much too. Yeah. You too. That's it. Okay. Magkakasama kayo. Okay. Ano ulit dyan? Ano yung SMNI?
Sunshine Media Network International.
Good evening again, everyone. Thank you so much, GAWAD America, for
Picture
this
tayo.
award. As an entrepreneur,
Daddy, picture.
what I do is I am the producer and founder of Miss Fabulous Las Vegas Beauty Pageant. So I'm inviting you all to be a contestant on this.
But here with me is another awardee, and congratulations, ma'am. She is Miss Ellen Stokes. Yes. Yeah, receiving 2 awards tonight. So, ma'am, congratulations. And any message, or how are you feeling that you're receiving 2 awards?
I'm very privileged that I received 2 awards tonight. One is for being an inventor and one is for being an entrepreneur. As an inventor, I invented a massage table for women that is transformed for the use of men. I intend to manufacture the product so that we can create jobs in the Philippines. And as an entrepreneur, we do have a beauty pageant and a non-profit organization that helps women to discover self-love, confidence, and courage. Thank you.
Thank you so much again, ma'am. And is this your first time to receive an award from GAWAD Amerika?
Yes, it is very first time, and I'm learning a lot tonight.
Oh, that's good po. And I hope to see you again in the next coming years, and I hope not in this kind of situation, right? So, but we continue to pray not just for fellow awardees, but for everyone to be safe and to get through all this pandemic. So,
Yes, I can't wait for us to get over the pandemic so we can serve our people.
Exactly. So good night and God bless. So for tonight's event, this 19th annual GAWAD Amerika Awards, one of the awardees is from the Philippines, and she is the most promising singer and the only daughter of our beloved couple singers who are known even before Dindong Avanzado and Jessa Saragossa. So here's Jada. Hello. Yeah, so they can't get out of the car since it's COVID, and of course it's kind of windy over here. Hi Jada.
Hi.
Yeah, so congratulations by the way for
Thank you so
award.
much.
Yeah. So how is it that you've been chosen as the most promising singer?
Well, I mean, obviously as a singer, it means a lot to be recognized for my work. So thank you, of course, to the GAWAD Amerika Awards for this recognition. Yeah, I'm very happy about that.
Okay, and also, how is it that you know that it's kind of risky, you know, to travel, and since it's COVID, everything is limited. But how did you even prepare? Because for sure you've been notified ahead of this awarding. So how did you even prepare?
Prepare? I mean, I've been just going about as I usually do, of course, taking the necessary precautions and just keeping myself healthy, of course, and following safety protocols, basically. There wasn't really much, and I showed up to this event. I mean, I tried to make myself look presentable. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, and since, of course, here in the US, we are going to celebrate our Thanksgiving, right? In
Right,
just a few
that's
days.
right.
So, what are the things that you're so thankful about?
The things I'm really thankful for, well, number one would probably be my family. It would definitely be my family, I think, because besides just being like heavily involved in my career as well, they've just been such an amazing support system, and I love them so much for that. And of course, number two would probably be my fans, and to anyone who's really given my music a chance, that means so much to me. And I'm thankful for music and the fact that I get to do what I love for a living, which is music and singing and performing and songwriting.
Yeah, and any upcoming shows, you know, despite the pandemic, any events coming up?
Well, as of now, obviously the live show industry is taking a bit of a hit, but I've been doing some online appearances, which you can find out on my social media account. You can follow me at Jada, Jayda, on Instagram, at Jada Avanzado on Twitter, and my YouTube channel, Just Jada, for more updates on my career and everyday life, basically.
And any messages for your fans?
Well, of course, to all my fans and to all my supporters, thank you guys so much for your support. It really doesn't mean a lot to me, and I hope that you continue to join me on my journey and you continue to support me, and I hope you enjoy the new music that I'm making, which will be coming your way soon.
Okay, and last question. Because we know that your parents are both singers.
Yes.
And they have different styles.
That's right.
Yeah. So basically, the kind of music that you have, where did you get it? You know, most from your dad or from your mom?
Oh, well, I mean, syempre, I would probably say that it's a bit of both. I think that's the right answer. Para walang magtampo.
Yeah.
No, but yeah, but in all honesty, I really did get a little bit of you know, their little quirks and traits as singers to kind of form my own style, of course. Like, I feel like that's how you create your own style. You take influences from different artists, and definitely my parents are two of some of my biggest influences.
Yeah. And congratulations once again. And
thank you so much.
You have a lovely voice.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Very millennial, and I've seen you perform in ASAP. So
thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
So we're not gonna let this opportunity pass, because Jada is with her parents, and of course we're gonna do a bit of an interview with the father, Ding Dong Avanzado. So here he is. So tingnan na lang namin.
Hello.
Okay, so once again, and since there's music now, I want to make sure that we can be heard loud and clear.
All right.
So yeah, how is it that Jada is going to receive an award? I don't know if this is the first time she's gonna receive the most promising singer.
No, she's been given recognition for the most promising. Actually, last year for sa AWIT Awards, she received the most promising.
That's great.
Award also. Best performance by a new female artist that last year. So we're glad because, you know, right now getting this recognition, especially the Filipino American community, is really a great blessing for Jada, and we're thankful for that. Kaya nga we're here as parents to support our unika iha. And we're just very happy na, you know, this early on in sa career niya na binibigyan na kaagad siya ng ganitong parangal. It's just a testament to her hard work, dahil alam namin na kay Jada malaking bagay itong music career niya sa kanya.
Yeah. Especially if you're serious about your craft, no?
No, naman.
So, It's really a blessing that even though both parents are singers, sometimes, you know, the kids don't really follow the same route or same direction. So how do you feel about that?
Well,
so proud.
No, yeah, of course. I mean, it makes us proud na Jada's charting her own path in music. It doesn't mean naman na kunyari singers ang parents kailangan automatically maging singer din na anak, no? They can excel in their own field, the field that they choose. Basta dun sila masaya, tsaka yun ang passion nila. It just so happened na si Jada, like I said, hindi naman namin siya pinilit, pero nakitaan namin na ito talaga ang gusto niya, yung passion niya is music, which is the same as ours. And I can say na actually si Jada is kind of an improvement of the race because she plays the instruments. She's a singer-songwriter, so
multi-talented talaga.
How can you not support somebody who's that you know, that not only that talented but that passionate about what she does? If you hear her music, if the people out there, no, do check her music out on Spotify and on YouTube, and you'll see what we mean.
Yeah, we will.
I mean, she's very she shows so much depth as an artist, and she has so much emotion. Even at a young age, she just turned 17, and you can see na ano talaga siya. She's really in touch with her emotions, and she's a very vulnerable artist. And a lot of people, we've been getting good feedback that they could relate to her music, and you know, they like watching her perform. So.
Since you and Jessa have been singing for how many years? Oh my gosh.
3 decades na. 3 decades si Jessa.
I bet, because I was still like probably high school or...
Yeah, you mentioned it kanina. Natuwa nga ako. Sabi mo, you still have our picture.
Yeah, so I mentioned earlier that this is not a first time, and I still have the picture, but it's in the Philippines though. And yeah, I just graduated from college. So, but anyway, does she ever ask for an advice from you, like, you know, techniques or any, you know, discipline when it comes to singing? Because you've been there for, you know,
yeah.
so
with
years.
Jada, the nice thing about her is that she's very teachable. We've always instilled that in her. Na she always has to have that teachable spirit. She's very humble. So she welcomes advice from me and her mom. You know, siyempre, we come from different, yung music namin ni Jessa, medyo may magkakaiba.
I know.
But,
distinct, no?
Oh, pero both as performers, we agree on those certain traits of the music. Yeah, sorry. There you go.
Okay. So, yeah, okay. So we'll feature that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you have to go first. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Sige.
Yeah, take pictures. And I'm here with one of the organizers for GAWAD America, and this is the 90th already. 19 years. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ina.
So here's Sam Azarel. Yeah, congratulations to, you know, for making this happen.
Yes,
and everybody knows it's, you know, COVID. So how are you feeling that it's happening?
I feel very happy, especially it's our mission to give an award to like Ina the healing because of her motivation to help other people. And then it's a good thing for humanity. Also, she's a good businesswoman. This is her second time. The first one is like 2 years ago, and then right now she's very happy that it's active. But unfortunately, it's pandemic, so we have social distancing. So again, congratulations, and more power to you and to your YouTube. Subscribe to her YouTube. It's we need her 1 million views. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Make it 2 million.
2 million. 2 million.
Thank you so much, Sam, and to GAWAD America for this, and I really appreciate it.